You know, today I just opened this and I just got a MEGAMINX that's scrambled already, but I just actually solved this. So I'm gonna scramble it up again and see how do I solve it. Okay, now it's better. Okay, I'm gonna solve it. Yeah, I already solved it. This. Oh my god. This. Wow. This looks so cool. Damn. Yo, that's literally so cool. Yeah, that's literally my favorite cube. What's your favorite cube? Comment below. If your favorite cube is MEGAMINX, click the subscribe. And if you love all of them, to subscribe again. And you get a share. If you want to subscribe again, you can. It's strange. Where is that piece? Oh, it's there. Oh. What's that? Look at this. Watch carefully. Ta-da! That's all I have to solve it. These are this. And inside this, gain 12. Then the new release did $184. Gain 12. Gain 12 looks like this. And honestly good. I'm gonna try to solve it. Really easy. I'm actually gonna try to solve it. Okay. Trying to memorize it. Okay. Go. Rook. Yeah. Woo! Got it. This game took me like 2 minutes to solve this. Alright.